Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass Turnitin AI writing detection. Firstly, read the instructions carefully to ensure you're meeting the professor's expectations, and break the assignment into sections and brainstorm how you can add personal insights. Pick a specific and less common topic with your subject area and combine different concepts, theories, or case studies in new and creative ways. Don't just replace words, rewrite ideas in your own voice while maintaining their original meaning. Use multiple sources instead of relying too much on one, and after citing facts or statistics, add your perspective or analysis. Even when paraphrasing, include proper in-text citations and references, and use tools like Zotero, EndNote, or Citation Machine to format citations correctly. AI-generated text tends to be overly informal, vague, or repetitive. Add personal examples, opinions, and conversational language to make your writing sound more natural. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.